my Princess Eye makeup tutorial. So to those of you who don't know or don't remember, Princess Eye was that manga that Courtney Love made up in like the early 2000s, and I remember reading it in middle school and for some reason still want to cosplay her. So to start out with this look, I'm just applying my foundation all over my face. And then for Princess Eye's eye look, get it? Eye look, I'm going to do a smoky fuchsia reddish purple eye. To begin with that, I start with a nude base. Then I begin making the smoky eye by gradually adding pigments from the outer corner of my eye and bringing it into the middle of my eye, as well as extending it out into the other side. It's kind of hard to explain. I'm really bad at explaining makeup stuff, so I hope that makes sense. If what I'm saying doesn't make sense, you can look at what I am doing on the video. And from there, I'm just really packing on the different colors, starting from light to dark, shading them from the outer corner of my eye to the inner corner of my eye, making sure that I'm keeping a sort of gradual gradient. In between each color, I am shading it in with either a lighter color or a neutral color to make sure that all of these colors are blending together. I highly recommend you guys do that. That is the easiest way I found to make a smoky eye. And once you're done smoking out your crease, you will then pack on a lighter shimmer shade on the center of your eyelid and blend that out into the smoky shades that you have made on your eyelid crease. And those are my dogs fighting in the background. Then I'm going in with concealer and concealing my under eyes and highlight areas. With this concealer, I am also using it as a guideline for my winged eyeliner later on. Then with some of those same colors from the top lid, I am just pulling them down onto the bottom lid to add some balance to my eye look. Then with a black pencil liner, I am tightlining my upper and lower waterline. And remember when I said I was using that concealer as a kind of like stencil for my eyeliner? Here's the eyeliner. I'm using that crease that I made when I was doing my concealer to act as a guide with my eyeshadow and eyeliner to do a slight wing. The eye look is already pretty crazy, so I don't want to do a heavy wing. It's just a very slight baby wing. Then I'm just smoking that out with a dark reddish magenta-y eyeshadow. Now I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm just doing my eyebrows how I naturally do them, but I'm making them a little bit more dramatic by making them more arched. Then I am highlighting my brow bone. Putting on some mascara on my upper and lower eyelashes. And here it jump cuts to me having eyelashes on. I put on eyelashes off camera because I do not know how to put them on. I have no idea how I ever get them on my face, so I will never be showing myself put fake lashes on in a tutorial because the way I do it is just very bad. Then I'm doing some contour on my face to make it more resemble princess eyes. To do this, I am making my nose look more narrow, my eyes a little bit more hollow, and accentuating my jawline. This is how I can contour my face to best suit this character, so if you need to change up your contour to better fit your face, go for it. Then foundation powder, highlighter, Then the lips, I am drawing my lips on a bit differently than I usually do to more favor Princess Ai's lip shape from the manga. I'm starting out with a red liquid lipstick, and then later on I realized, this isn't exactly the color that I want, so I later went in with a darker color lipstick on top of that to get the color that I wanted for this look. And then put on your wig. The wig I am using is from UniWigs. They have sponsored this video by providing this gorgeous wig. I absolutely love it for Princess Ai. It is super soft, super full, a stunning color, and apparently would also work for Taylor Swift because Instagram keeps telling me I look like Taylor Swift in this cosplay. But I really like this wig, so I 10 out of 10 would recommend you guys check them out. Their information is in the link below. If you want to see the full review of this wig, just hang out until the end card at the end of this video, or you can check out in the description below. And you're done. But yeah, so thank you guys so much. Thank you so much to UniWigs for sending me this beautiful wig. If you guys want to get this wig or check out any of their products, their stuff is in the project below, in the description below. Also, make sure to check out my discount code to get yourself a discount. They are very nice wigs, but you're gonna want that discount code. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much again to UniWigs, and bye.
Maybe Taylor Swift is like styled based off of Princess Ai.
I doubt it.